Hi guys, and as always, welcome back to AW Smart Repairs and Black Stag Styling. So, in this video, we're going to be doing a little bit of our Hydra dipping. We do love the old Hydra dipping, as you probably know from or have seen on some of our previous videos. We'll do it in a process right the way through with this one, so you can see the part before we Hydra dip it, you know, before we prep it all, right the way through the prep sort of side of things. Get it painted in the colour that it's got to go in before we Hydra dip it, and then it'll be Hydra dipped in dark carbon. So this bit is a engine cover, so you've got your sort of rocker cover where your spark plugs and that all go. As you can see at the moment, it's just in the aluminium, so we'll be cleaning it, prepping it, it'll be primered, painted in dark grey, and then Hydra dipped in the carbon and lacquered to finish. So we've got some little other parts as well on it. They've got to be done in silver, some of the little brackets, so they'll all be done as well, and then all refitted at the end. So stay tuned for this one. Normal stuff. Don't forget, please like and subscribe to our channel. Turn on your notifications, and that way it keeps you fully up to date with any of the videos, up and coming videos we're doing. Thanks for watching. Right, let's get it all prepped up and get on with it. Lovely jubbly. Right, so here we are with young Adam, and if you can see Adam in the background here, so Ad is now prepping the panel, isn't you, bud?
Yeah, but always in the background, mate. Always in the background. Yeah, we've just prepped it up, ready to prime it, and then it's going to be Hydra dipped in dark carbon.
You've got to do it in the dark grey, a little bit of dark grey.
Prime it into a dark grey, and then yeah, ready for Hydra dip.
Lovely jubbly.
I believe that's some sort of Lotus.
Is it apparently a Lotus? Is a Lotus Elise possibly? Not sure. It's out of a Lotus, definitely out of a Lotus. So it will look really good.
Polished up alright already. Yeah.
Nice. Cleaning up a treat, look.
I'll give you an A for effort, but 2 for attention to detail.
Bit of masking up, Ad?
Bit of masking up.
Well, I got a little bit of masking up going on.
Is it perfect, mate? It's perfect. I'd probably say it's room for improvement.
Looks like you made a lovely job of this. Has he made a lovely job, James?
Lovely.
A little bit of masking up. Just so we don't get any paint in any of the areas we don't want any paint.
Holes.
Hello, Jamesy baby.
Hello, mate.
What are you now doing, bud?
We've got the engine cover. That seems to be Hydra dipped. So we're going to prime it in black epoxy. First. So it's ready to be great, and then go to the top, and then be Hydra dipped.
Lovely jubbly.
Lovely.
Okay, pal. This is a little close up. Oh, all masked up, ready to go.
Ready?
We're ready.
You don't look it.
Ready? Yeah, ready. Good morning, Adam.
Morning.
What were you in the middle of now, mate?
Oh, mate, we're just doing the final bit of prep work to the Lotus engine cover.
Okay.
We've epoxy primed it black.
Yeah.
Now I'm just going to little prep up. We're just going to colour it into the carbon grey. Ready to be Hydra dipped.
Lovely.
Lovely jubbly.
Just giving it a little bit of a scotch up, are we?
Yeah, a bit of a scotch up. Just give the paint something to stick to. Then we're ready to go.
Superb, sir.
I'm excited.
Lovely times.
Lovely times.
Hang on a sec. I'll put your scotch shaking that. Right, are you ready? Yeah. Oh.
What are you doing about Fibre? Hey! Are you sure because you're on the camera, mate? How long are you going to be?
Don't look big or clever.
In a few minutes.
Alright, okay. Give me a shout because I need to come in.
Yeah, for about an hour. All there. How rude, no?
That was very rude, wasn't it? Right, hang on. Okay, so Adam is now going to put his second coat of the dark grey over the engine cover. Ta-da! And that'll be the right colour, ready to do the Hydra dipping. There we go, pal. It's all in the it's all in the wrist action. It's all in the wrist action. As you can probably see, we have just above Adam our heat light, just to bake the colour off. There we go. Lovely jubbly. Leave that to cure off and it'll be ready to do the Hydra dipping.
Lovely times.
Lovely times.
Lovely times.
Hi Adam.
Morning.
Morning. Afternoon.
Afternoon, evening. Don't see you at the end of the night.
Thanks for coming. What we got, pal? What we got?
We just cut our film, stuck our tape on, cut our little slits in it. It's like a bit like a piano, doesn't it? But no.
Lovely.
We've got our bit all prepped up behind you, ready to dip. And we're going to go for it. We're not going to be shy. We're going to go for it.
We're going to give it a try.
Give it a shot. Give it a try. Don't be shy.
Don't be shy. Goodbye. Don't be shy. We'll give it a try. Goodbye.
You're silly, you are. Yes, we've got our bit all prepped up here.
Let's have a look. Here we go.
All ready to go.
Nice and grey. Here we go. We'll have a look.
Yep, lovely and dry.
Superb.
Like the sky on a rainy day, hey?
Yep. I think so.
Let's get these old dividers.
What do we say, Ed? Don't forget, like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Something like that, anyway. booth as normal with James with our Hydra dipped engine cover.
Yep.
What are we doing, pal?
We're about to paint it black.
Oh, oh dear, over the top.
No. There are a few parts where the pattern stretches and where it just breaks, where it's not possible to get the film to go, and we just brush in afterwards, turn the camera right down in pressure and have it on spot, and just sort of airbrushing the little areas.
Cool.
So it blends in nicely, and then we clear coat over the top.
Lovely times.
Loveliest of times.
There we go, we give a little close up. Here we go, lovely. Here we are. We're back in with Jamesy, baby. You're looking very relaxed at the moment.
It's nearly Christmas.
Yeah, nearly Christmas.
I'm very relaxed.
More relaxed than normal.
Yes.
What are you thinking about doing, mate?
I'm about to lacquer it. We've put the colour all on, so we've blown in the areas and faded it in, so it all looks nice now, all blends in. There's no primer grinning through or no stretch pattern. Yeah, we're ready to clear coat.
We're ready to clear.
We're ready to
Ready to lay down some clear.
lay down and clear.
Laying it down. Deep down. Not deep, wait, just down. There we go, look at that. Woohoo! Right, here we go. So we're now with the finished engine cover dipped in the carbon. We'll do a little go around here. We're kept it in the booth so the lights hopefully show everything up quite well. There we go, so it's been clear coated. The little brackets, we also painted them silver for the customer, so they've been done. And everything fitted back up. A little bit of a polish. There we go, we'll go over the top of it. Blended some of the black in because the film, because it's just ink, is what the Hydra film is. You get a little bit of it sort of missing, so we then blend that in with the black, keep it looking nice. Masked out all of the other bits. There we go. All done. Hi guys, and thanks for checking out our latest YouTube video. Hopefully you've enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Turn on the notifications as well, that way you can stay fully up to date with all of our videos. Have some new really good up and coming stuff coming into 2020. Plenty of our styling with the pickup trucks, more Hydra dipping, more repairs. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Also try and have a little bit of fun with our videos, as you hopefully like that as well. So this is all done. Now going to be ready to go back to the customer. Hopefully you've enjoyed this one. Don't forget also you can follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Check out our website. Yeah. Plenty of different things, plenty of different ways you can stay up to date with what we're doing. So thanks again for watching, and we'll speak to you again soon. Happy days.